Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.34. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 25.84% since we first designated Tesla as a buy candidate 15 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.72% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $366.13 will initially indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 36.97% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 3.65% to 39.92%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of about 33.47%, based on our calculations. The stock's performance could vary between negative 10.30% and 100.94% over the coming year. Translated to current values, this would place the future price somewhere between $321.49 and $720.23. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price up approximately 0.429% on Thursday. The Tesla stock price gained approximately 0.429% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025. The price rose from $356.90 to $358.43. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.29%, with a day low at $356 and a day high of $367.71. This price has seen ups and downs during this period, with a total gain of 3.16% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 87 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $31.29 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest price was $167.41. Currently, the price is 26.63%, or $130.11, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock has recently experienced a notable increase, influenced by Elon Musk's exit from the Trump administration. This shift allows him to refocus his attention on the company. Analysts view this as a favorable development, anticipating Musk's renewed dedication to Tesla's foundational innovations, especially in autonomous driving and robotics. Investors are also optimistic about the upcoming launch of Tesla's robotaxi service in Austin on the 12th of June, which has the potential to significantly enhance revenues and strengthen the company's position in driverless technology. As Musk wraps up his involvement with Dodge, shareholders are increasingly calling for greater transparency and commitment. They urge him to devote more time to Tesla, particularly in light of concerns over recent sales declines. This shift in focus could reassure investors and stabilize stock performance in the near term. Tesla's appeal to the Senate for ongoing support underscores its dependence on government incentives, highlighting the necessity of regulatory stability for its thriving energy sector. While external challenges persist, particularly concerning sales and brand reputation, the renewed emphasis on Tesla's strategic innovations is set to positively influence its stock valuation in both the short and long term. The forthcoming milestones could further boost investor confidence, leading to a potentially optimistic outlook for Tesla's stock. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a rating of buy with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush again assigned Tesla a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was also reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a rating of neutral with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was further reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla a rating of overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell designation. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have provided the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $348.14 and $295.47. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Interestingly, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been generated, which could influence the near-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 1.23%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 76 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.95 and $282.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $284.95. If this breaks, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.76 and $272.20. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $11.71 between its high and low, or 3.29%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.67%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 0.43. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $362.89. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $284.95. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Tanuja Vaibhav, who bought and sold a total of 17,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 56.383. In total, insiders acquired 907,500 shares and disposed of 3,248,712 shares in these 100 trades. Our suggested stop loss is established at $346.31, reflecting a decline of 3.38%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot peak identified 2 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 30th of May, we expect Tesla to open higher by $2.28 and begin trading at $360.71. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.